The rise of artificial intelligence has been nothing short of revolutionary in recent years. From Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars and robots, AI has found its way into virtually every aspect of our lives. Now, with its ability to automate and analyze data at an unprecedented rate, the potential for AI to change the world is unlimited. And as AI continues to evolve, it also presents investors with the unique opportunity to be part of the future. The race is on to harness the full potential of AI, and the world is watching. And now, an expert says a major rising player in the AI industry just presented a huge opportunity that could change the world. In this video, let me tell you what Cathie Wood thinks of OpenAI's ChatGPT and where it's going. Hey friends, welcome to Capitalista. Before we dive in, please take a moment to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. And now, let's get started. The world is on the cusp of a technological revolution, and AI is at the forefront of it. And with its limitless potential and unparalleled ability to analyze vast amounts of data in real time, AI is poised to change the world in ways we can only imagine. It's no wonder the market is trying to grasp AI's impact on the world and the opportunities it will bring. AI has already made its presence felt in various industries, from finance to healthcare. It has also revolutionized how we process information and make decisions, helping us save time and resources. For example, AI algorithms can analyze financial data and make predictions about market trends, which traders can use to make informed decisions. And in the healthcare industry, AI develops new drugs and diagnoses diseases more accurately. However, the impact of AI is not limited to just these industries. It has the potential to change the way we live, work, and interact with each other. From self-driving cars to virtual personal assistants, AI is already shaping the future. And it's exciting to think about what other breakthroughs AI will bring in the future. Now, the general public often associates AI with chatbots and language models, but the true potential of AI lies in its coding aspect. The ability to analyze and process vast amounts of data, perform complex calculations, and make informed decisions with minimal human intervention makes AI such a valuable tool. The coding side of AI is the backbone that powers its various applications, from intelligent machines to predictive analytics and beyond. And understanding the real value of AI requires looking beyond its popular uses and exploring the complex algorithms and models that make it possible. ARK Invest is a venture fund focused on investing in artificial intelligence. This investment firm has been making waves in the tech industry due to its commitment to supporting the development and growth of AI-focused startups and companies. One such company that ARK Invest has put in its faith is Mosaic ML. Mosaic ML is a software company at the forefront of AI progress, and the company's innovative software has been designed to speed up AI development and make it more accessible to businesses and organizations worldwide. At its core, Mosaic ML software helps streamline the building and deployment of machine learning models. This allows organizations to integrate AI quickly and easily into their operations, leading to increased efficiency, productivity, and profitability. In addition to its focus on AI, ARK Invest is also known for its commitment to helping startups and early-stage companies grow and succeed. The firm has a team of experienced investors and advisors who work closely with the companies it invests in to help them navigate the many challenges that arise when starting a business. The real advantages of artificial intelligence lie in the increased productivity it brings to businesses that use it efficiently, and companies that effectively integrate AI into their operations will be able to see a boost in productivity, enabling them to perform their tasks more efficiently and effectively. This can lead to increased output, improved decision-making, and a more streamlined workflow. In short, the true value of AI lies in its ability to help companies work smarter, not harder. And by leveraging the power of AI, businesses can streamline their operations and optimize their processes, allowing them to achieve their goals more effectively and efficiently. Companies that own unique datasets like Tesla and Exact Sciences are poised to reap the biggest rewards from artificial intelligence. These companies have a significant advantage over their competitors as they have access to large amounts of proprietary data that can be used to train AI models. This enables them to create cutting-edge products and services tailored specifically to their target markets. And by leveraging the power of AI, these companies can gain a competitive edge and drive growth in their respective industries. According to the CEO and CIO of ARK Invest, Cathie Wood, one of the leading voices in the world of AI and technology, the path to delivering AI solutions is a long and winding road. However, she believes that companies that fully embrace AI and have access to unique and proprietary data will be the ultimate victors in this race. Wood notes that having proprietary data gives these companies a significant advantage, as they can leverage it to train their AI systems and create truly innovative and impactful solutions. And in her view, companies that can effectively harness the power of AI and their proprietary data will be the ones that reap the biggest rewards in the long run. She thinks embracing artificial intelligence in organizations has the potential to not only increase productivity but also drive profitability. Wood believes that those who refuse to adopt AI will soon find themselves at a significant disadvantage as the technology continues to gain ground across all industries. She also argues that those willing to invest in AI will reap the benefits, unlocking new opportunities for growth and innovation. In addition, the companies that take the lead in AI will become the leaders in their respective markets, and they would outpace their competitors and solidify their position as the front runners in their industry. Furthermore, Wood thinks that the key to success for artificial intelligence lies in boosting productivity rather than in a single product or service. AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we work and live, but it's the impact on efficiency and productivity that will truly make it a game changer. And by automating repetitive tasks, reducing errors, and streamlining processes, AI can free up time and resources that can be better spent on higher value activities. This means businesses and organizations can become more productive while individuals enjoy more free time to pursue their interests and hobbies. The real value of AI will be seen in its increased output and decreased input, making it a powerful tool for anyone looking to improve their work and life. In addition, there's a lot of buzz surrounding AI companies with AI in their name, but the real success stories will be those who utilize AI effectively. The key to winning in the AI game is not just having AI in the company name, but actually using the technology in a meaningful way that drives results and solves real-world problems. Companies that can effectively harness the power of AI will be the ones that come out on top, setting themselves apart from the rest of the pack. So if you're looking to succeed in the world of AI, look for the ones focusing on using it in the right way rather than just riding the AI hype train. And based on this, make sure to drop your thoughts on investing in AI companies in the comment section down below. Thank you for tuning in to the end. We appreciate your support and hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you can never miss an upload from us. Your engagement helps us bring you even more exciting content in the future. Until next time, and take care.